Okay guys, I wanted to add this really quick walk around video of my 1957 Ford Thunderbird. I bought this vehicle earlier this year in 2020. The previous owner had owned this vehicle for approximately 16 years. The vehicle had a nice restoration done to it prior to their ownership. The car was pretty much garaged for 16 years. There was only 1,000 miles added to it. It is an actual mileage car, just over 87,000 miles on it. It's really a beautiful example of a 1957 T-Bird. Flame red, some sun glare here today. Matching numbers, white interior. This vehicle has a power package on it with power steering, power brakes, power windows, even a power seat. It's absolutely a stunning 57 T-Bird. It needs nothing. It is going to make someone a very, very happy owner, and everything on this vehicle is fully operational. Just a beautiful example of one of the great American classics. I'll come back shortly with a live video of the vehicle being cranked and driven. And boy, does she run fantastic.